Hey guys, in my last 3 teardown videos I've pulled out a bunch of circuit boards, but I have yet to pull the components off the boards. So that's what I'm going to do today. I want to see what I can salvage from these boards, what might be useful, or what I can actually desolder from the boards. So here I go. The components are coming out pretty easily. The solder is old and takes a minute to melt, but the parts are coming out pretty easy. What's bothering me right now are all these extra wires that are in my way, and they're soldered to the board, so I'm just going to cut the wires off. I don't need them for any reason. I'm not going to keep those. Okay, we got a lot of components here. A bunch of inductors. I think I got 2 inductors here. I'm not sure what this is. To be honest, I'll have to look it up and figure out what that is. That might be another inductor, but I'm not sure. Big capacitor. 3 or 4 relays. And we got a bunch of these voltage regulators with this one has a heat sink on it. These don't. I pulled a couple of the big resistors out. Whole mess of the capacitors. I believe these are coils. And then I had 2 of the crystals. I pulled them out. Those are good for radio electronics. I did not pull everything out of that I want out of this board yet. There's still a good bit in here. It just got difficult and I put it aside for the time being. But yeah, there's a bunch of capacitors in here and big resistors. More of these voltage regulators that I want to pull out of here, which I will do. These ceramic resistors, I want to hold on to those, but we'll do that later. You guys have a great day. We'll see you next time.